बढ़िया
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
बढ़िया बढ़िया
मुकेश है।
या प्लीज
Mukesh, I am worried about how to take care of COVID-19 virus. Nowadays, me and my family, entire family is very worried about it.
so we already have the product now this is the reason we have the two products one is this is the handheld
Okay.
and this is very easy for family and second is this box we make this box and this is in the two different sizes standard size 30 liter and 60 liter
Mukesh, the problem is
yeah
my kid is around 5 years old.
okay
So we are UVC ray, like it's mentioned already on your handheld. This work with UVC ray. They're safe for humans.
directly UVC exposure is not safe for humans
Okay.
suppose करिए if you have this this will only on when you push this button otherwise this is off
Okay.
and this is very technical reason we make the switch here and output is here so it's always be the thumb operator it's not be na you can't operate this way ऐसे तो आप नहीं करते हो ऑपरेट आप इसको ऐसे नहीं करते हो आप ऐसे करते हो तो
So
for the
why
sufficient
okay, while making this product, like the paint and the entire device, do you use any like toxic chemicals and
no nothing
So you mean to say that's to be safe for humans?
yes always very safe but still we will suggest not to use at least below 10 years petrol
Alright, that's great. So suppose if I'm coming from some party and I'm carrying my bag, my wallets, and my personal belongings, phones, and some other documents, and I need to quick disinfection for those entire product because those are personal products. I need to get rid of virus as soon as possible. So what do you suggest me to do?
suppose if you're
For example, like I'm carrying my car key here. So
for
it's very
these type
difficult
of
to like-
things we have the box
Okay.
simply you have to put it over here close it there's a button for off on and if by any reason you open it it's automatically closed so there's a safety no UV rays can out and it's very fast
It must be taking half an hour to get.
no it's the maximum 5 minutes for the small
great,
product
great, great.
for the when the things are very big and the use then the maximum time limit is the 20 minutes
Alright.
but you don't need
So can I distribute my food and my groceries?
anything you know from the UV technology
Right.
Europe is using from more than 100 years for the water treatment. In India, we are using the kind. No, water is treated by UV technology. This is this is the UV technology. Only the ray is different.
In my house, they already mentioned on my water purifier UVC treatment. So that
Yeah, this is the same.
Alright, that's true. That's very like healthy for humans, I think.
Always.
Okay, in case I used to buy fruits, vegetables, day-to-day products, like anything, milk. So is it possible to distribute everything without any
Yes,
side
everything.
effect? There is no side effect.
No side effect. Europe is using from more than 10 years, 20 years, or in these times this is very normal. Still in India, Lucknow Metro is using,
Okay.
buses are using, in the aircrafts there is a fresh air concept using the UV concept. So UV is coming everywhere. And in the very starting of the medical science, when there was tuberculosis, so the way you are going to treatment is the UV ray.
Great. So what is UVC stand for?
UVC is the ultraviolet. C for is a specific range.
So
This is very safe. There is no reason to worry. But this is not meant for direct exposure to the skin. But it's not going to do anything with the fruits, not going to do any with the water and other things.
if I'm not wrong, the UVC is the same device in doctors use to desanitize their equipments in the
Yes,
hospitals, right?
yes.
Great.
And again the same product they are going to cut your internal bodies. If that is the danger, then you will be in more danger.
So what is product like?
Normally the lamp life is very huge, but we are giving the warranty for the 2 years. And this is directly taken by the company. There is no middleman.
So in case if I bought the UV disinfection box and next month or after 2 months I got some issue, what are you supposed to do? How to approach you?
This is the best way. Ki first you can simply call this. Maybe we can fix your issue on the phone.
Alright.
Otherwise, if the issue is very big, we can take it back, and after repair we will revert back.
Alright. So that's how much time it will take? Because like pandemic is going.
After reaching our office, it will take maximum 1 day.
Alright. So the entire process, then my problem is solved within 7 to 10 days.
It's a maximum.
Alright.
7 days is the maximum.
Great. Fine. Thank you so much. So
Okay, and there 2 or 3 things we want to add extra.
yeah, please.
We have the NABL certification.
What does it stand for?
NABL is a stand for he is going to check it everything on the lab. This is really kills the viruses and that type of things or not. So we have the certificate, and for the your
You mean
card
to say
we
that
can share with that documents.
You mean to say your product is lab tested? You have to
Yes, 100%. Is the lab tested? Is the CE certified?
Does it recommended by any government body?
WHO is recommended.
Oh.
WHO is recommended to please use the UVC. You know, in these days there is a number of companies they are making the UV lamp and other things.
I have seen on your website you mentioned Ayush Mantralaya also recommended the UVC technologies.
Yes.
Right.
This is the only way. Otherwise, for the sanitizer and other things, everything has some side effects.
Yeah.
You know, there's some sanitizers they are using. They are saying that there is
Even I found my hand is very rough nowadays due to using the
sanitizers.
excess of sanitizers.
And suppose in the house, if your products are very costly, with the some costly, just like furniture, say anything, and simultaneously you are very worried about that. Someone come and sit in your furniture, and you are by default with your bad luck. That the COVID guy, then how you can clean up this area? You can't disinfect and do sanitizer the complete. Then the best way is the light. It's not going to damage your product.
So, like if I'm using hand into my car, that's a perfectly fine.
It's a very good idea. It's 100% very good idea.
So there's plenty of surface. Like maybe my sofa is made with leather,
Yeah.
right? My kitchen tiles I can use over my kitchen tiles.
Everything for the kitchen this is very good idea because the
doors
maid
and
you
everything.
can't say for the stopping the maid is not possible.
Yes, nowadays like everyone dependent on maids because life is too fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much.
Oh, thanks a
Nice
lot.
meeting you, Mukesh.
Bye.
I definitely consider to buy this device soon.
Please.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.